Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a huge closet clean out, decluttering, organizing my closet. I'm really excited for this because my closet is so messy right now. I'm actually really looking forward to this. My closet is currently so cluttered, literally out of hangers. It's just like really messy. I feel like this is very overdue. The new year is the perfect time to clean out your closet, declutter. I actually just did a whole deep clean and declutter my entire apartment. I'll link that here if you guys want to check that out. The closet needed its own separate video. I literally want to go through everything. Every single clothing related accessory, sweatshirts, everything that's hanging. I'm hoping this will be the biggest closet clean out yet. I hope you guys enjoy and this motivates you if you're needing to clean out your closet as well. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at emilygrace.26. Let's just get into it. Something I like to keep in mind, I like to ask myself, would I buy this today? Like if I saw this in a store today, would I buy it? Or is it just not really my style as much anymore? When was the last time I wore it? If the last time I wore it was like 2 years ago and it's just not something I reach for, it's gotta go. I don't always follow those rules, but that's just kind of what I like to remind myself of. Let's just get started. There's a lot to do. This is probably gonna take me all day, maybe even some of tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get it all done today. It's like literally a blizzard outside. I like to start with the hanging section of my closet and just kind of bring it out in sections. That just seems to be the most effective. It's easiest to just kind of physically take it out and really see what I'm working with. If I take it all out at once, it's way too overwhelming. I just like to take it out in sections, only put back in what I really feel like I'm wearing. That is kind of my method that works the best for me. I kind of have everything color coded, so I bring it out like in color sections. I have like a section of jackets or dresses or something like that. Once we're done with the hanging section, we'll kind of work towards the dresser, the accessories, coats, all the extra things. Let's just get started with the hanging section. Hopefully find a lot of stuff to get rid of. I'm gonna try to not be a hoarder. Starting off with the dresses, I just have like a few dresses that I kind of have packed away at the back of my closet. I thought I would start off with these. This is a green, like silky kind of dress that I got for my friend's wedding. It kind of looks like a bridesmaid dress. Also, it was a garden party, so I ended up getting something more floral. So I did end up wearing this. My sister goes to a lot of weddings. I feel like she's always going to a wedding. I just give this to my sister. I feel like she'd be more likely to wear this. This dress I really like. I think I will keep this. I might need to try this on. I feel like this is a good basic dress. I liked this dress until I saw a picture of me wearing it, and then I hated it. And also, I feel like I need a better way to hang these because what the heck. Something about long dresses, I just hate them on me. This dress is actually so cute, but it's like, I don't like the neckline on me. This dress I probably like the most out of all of them. I do like this, but I don't know if I like love the ruching as much anymore. I might actually get rid of this too. I just need to try those on. I'm just gonna try the dresses on now so I don't procrastinate doing them later. I don't know, kind of like this, but I kind of don't. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you guys think because I literally don't know. Kind of leaning toward no, but I'm kind of leaning toward yes. I don't really love bodycon type dresses. If I like had to go somewhere last minute and I didn't have anything, this would be like a good backup. Don't have this tied correctly, but just don't love this on me. If I was going to a wedding or something, I feel like I would just pick something that I feel a little bit more confident in. I want to like this because this dress is really cute and like pretty. It's just not my style. I'm like trying to imagine like for my sister's bridal shower, something where I might want to wear something more floral and girly. Like would I pick this? I might keep it. My sister has this exact same dress in a different color and it looks so good on her, but for some reason, something about it, I just don't love it on myself. I might keep this because I know there's gonna be like some bridal events and stuff and I might need something like this and I don't hate it, I just don't really love it. This dress is really pretty. I feel like it has a little bit more shape to it than some of the other ones. It's also a little bit longer. It's like a better length. I think I might actually keep this one. I probably couldn't wear it to any of the bridal stuff that's coming up because it's like white. I think I do actually like this one. Next we have pants, skirts, all my like hanging bottoms. Most of my like jeans and sweats are folded. I haven't worn this. It is cute. I've done a few like Pinterest, like recreating Pinterest videos where I've worn this and it's super cute. I did wear this a lot last summer. I never wear these kind of pants. Maybe I will get rid of these. My sister just started a new job and I feel like she would get a lot more wear of these than I will. They're super cute. I never really dress up enough to like wear these. It would be cute just like a t-shirt or something. I just kind of gravitate towards jeans or sweats. Ugh, so bad at this. These are like the same kind of pants, but they were from Fifth Avenue and they were kind of a splurge and they fit really good. So I'm definitely gonna keep these. These are like black kind of silky pants. These are so cute. I actually wore them a few times this summer. Now realizing how many pants I have. These are both from Zara actually, and I do really like these. I talked about these in my worst purchases video. They're actually not that similar. I will be keeping both of these because they are different styles and I do like them both. This is not going well. Okay. I just got a pair of green cargo pants from Hollister and I feel like I like the ones I just got better. I think I might get rid of these. These are just more relaxed. They have a wide leg bottom instead of jogger bottom, and they're this lighter color. I think those are really cute too though. I might have to try them on just to make sure. I'm just gonna kind of work through the different color sections of the tops. I know I have a lot of clothes. I'm very fortunate to work with a lot of different fashion brands and they'll give me clothing. So I do have a lot of clothes for that reason. Also, I do shop a lot. These are all the navy and gray color tops. So I'm just gonna sort through these. Every closet clean out, I decide on the sweater vest. I'm like, am I gonna wear this? Like, it is cute. I actually thrifted this every single time. I'm like, well, what if I'm gonna wear it? It has probably been 4 or 5 years of me thinking that I'm gonna wear it, and I just haven't. I think I might actually finally get rid of it. I just don't think I'm gonna wear it. I think I'm finally going to say goodbye. Goodbye, sweater vest. I do love these little baseball baby tees. I wear these a lot. I have a few different colors. I will be keeping all of them. I won't be buying any more though. Actually, you guys are gonna judge me. Who let me buy this many navy t-shirts? Well, some of them do have like graphics on them. They are all different. This is my problem. I did a really bad job with the navy and gray section because I literally didn't get rid of like anything. I do love like anything neutral colored. I feel like I really truly wear all of that. I did put one thing in the maybe pile. Currently editing this video. I just wanted to pop on here with like a little tip. I didn't really find much to get rid of when I was originally going through my closet. When I realized that I just wasn't really getting rid of a lot of stuff, I actually had my mom come over and help me. One time somebody commented on one of my closet clean out videos and said having somebody like a friend or family member come over and go through it with me would be helpful. I thought I would use that idea. It actually was really helpful because my mom kind of went through it and was like, I've never seen you wear this. I've never seen you wear this. And I was like, you know what? You're right. I actually found a ton of things, like a whole big stack of clothes to get rid of. If you struggle to get rid of things, I feel like having a second person to just kind of go through it. So I just wanted to mention that. I just finished going through all of the hanging pieces in my closet. Unfortunately, this is all I found to get rid of. Now I'm just gonna go through all of the sweaters. They're such a mess. They're just not folded, very organized. I'm gonna try to really only keep the ones that I absolutely love. Like this one, I feel like I haven't worn it in a while. That doesn't have a turtleneck. My sister would always borrow that one and I just feel like she'd really love this and I definitely need both. This one used to be my favorite. I just haven't worn it in so long. We're gonna get rid of that. This is actually really cute. I'm kind of on the fence if I should get rid of this. I just don't remember the last time I wore it. I never reached for it. Now I just need to reorganize all of these and somehow try to get them to fit. I do like to kind of color coordinate them. They're nice little stacks. Since it's dark and the lighting's not super great, I think I'm just gonna finish all this up tomorrow. I intended on getting the whole closet clean out done today. I'm just gonna finish everything up tomorrow. Here's what I got rid of so far, the sweaters, and then that is like my maybe pile. I just kind of want to try these on and make sure before I get rid of them. It's the next day. We're gonna continue with the closet clean out. Hopefully get the closet clean out finished up today. Pretty long list of things I still want to declutter. Jeans, hats, scarves, skirts, sweatshirts. My dresser is actually pretty organized, so I'm probably not gonna go through that. It's mostly just like sweatpants. I'm just gonna continue working on everything that's folded in my closet. We're just gonna start with the skirts and shorts and stuff like that. Here are some of my skirts and shorts that I just have like sitting on a shelf in there. A lot of my shorts stored in a tub that's just kind of put away for the winter. Kind of switch it out based on the seasons. So these are just kind of a few of my favorites. So I probably won't be getting rid of these. This is just a plain black skirt. I feel like I wear this quite a bit. It's a good basic. Definitely be keeping this. Keeping that. This I've also worn a couple times before. It's really tight, so I think I might actually get rid of this. This one, I feel like I can't let go of because I used to really, really love this. Actually, the last time I wore it was probably when I went to New York. It was back like in 2019. It was so cute. Like it was literally like the cutest little outfit. Just because I haven't worn it in 5 years, I feel like I probably am not gonna wear it. So as much as this is like really cute and I like it, I think I'm gonna get rid of it. Also, I don't think this fits me. This is cute. It kind of doesn't fit me. It's a little bit big. I think I'm just gonna get rid of it. I have this denim skirt from Revolve, and it's like really cute. It just doesn't fit good. Like the waist, the length, it just doesn't fit super good. So I think I might get rid of this, but I might try it on first just to make sure. These ones are all pretty much my favorites. A lot of them are vintage. That's a pretty good start. Next, I'm gonna do all of my pants and jeans. I have them all folded in this like little cube thing. I think I'm just gonna bring them out by stacks that are in each cube and just kind of sort through them that way. These I absolutely love. They're like these tan cargo pants, and I wear these all the time, so I'm definitely gonna be keeping these. These are really similar but different. They just don't have all the cargos on the side, and they're a little bit more low-rise, thinner material. These are really cute, but I didn't wear them this fall winter. These are my favorite pair of black jeans from Princess Polly, so I'm definitely keeping these. These are really cute, but I think they're too big, so I'm just gonna try these on. I think I'm gonna let these go because I never wear these. These were for a photo shoot that I did, and the actual jeans are really cute. Like the fit of the jeans is really cute. They're vintage. I'm just not gonna probably wear the cow print, but they are like a fun souvenir of this like magazine photo shoot that I was in. So I'm trying to decide if I should keep them for like sentimental reasons. These are one of my favorite pairs from Princess Polly. They're like the crisscross ones, so definitely keeping these. These white jeans and cream jeans, I'm definitely keeping. These are the same crisscross jeans, but with distressing. I just never really wear these like very distressed ones. I might get rid of these. I have distressed jeans that I like, but I just don't really wear these ones. I actually got rid of quite a few jeans. I feel like that was actually pretty successful. I do have a lot of jeans. If you're watching this and you're like, why do you have so many jeans? I literally just have an obsession with jeans. I usually wear jeans like every single day. I just kind of go through phases of like different styles that I like to sell jeans, so maybe that's why I'm like obsessed with jeans. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with them. On to the accessories. These are all of my hats. I have them all in this little bin. I'm just gonna dump this out and sort through these. I don't know how I have so many hats. I think I'm gonna get rid of that. I feel like I do wear beanies a lot when I'm taking Instagram pictures, and even just in the winter. These are just good basics. The gray, light gray and dark gray I do wear a lot. It's kind of like a good fall color. Next up is bags. I have a few more that I need to bring out. I keep telling myself if I haven't used it or worn it, I'm probably not going to use it or wear it. It's just taking up space. So that is kind of like what I'm keeping in mind. This bag is so cute, but it does still have the tag on it. Maybe I'll try to wear it this winter, and if I don't wear it next month, get rid of it. Oh my gosh! I know I haven't used this bag in a while because I've been looking for this camera battery for like 2 years. I've been looking for it since before I got my new car. So that's how long it's been since tiny is this bag? Oh my gosh, I looked everywhere. Deep cleaned my car. I am so excited. Definitely getting rid of this. I can probably get rid of these. These are all face masks from like COVID. I think it's probably fine. And I have like a million laptop cases. This one is not protective at all, so I think I'm gonna get rid of that. I bought this one because it actually is protective. It has like a plastic like, shell around it. These are so cute, but I don't need all of them. I have like so many. I think I'll keep this one with my name, and then I might see if my sister or friends would want either of these because they're so cute. It is a little bit later. I went through the sweatshirts that are all folded. I found a few to get rid of. I feel like I'm not getting rid of as much as I thought I would. I kind of want to go back through the hanging section of my closet and see if I can find a few more things to get rid of. Really quickly, I'm just gonna go through my clothing rack and see if there's anything on there that I'm not really wearing. I'm gonna see if I can maybe put these in my coat closet because these are just like really heavy. I don't know. I feel like this clothing rack would look a little bit more aesthetic without them. That brings me to the next thing, which is the coats. I have a whole like entryway closet where I store all of my coats. I do need to kind of declutter that space. That can be for a different day. Today we're just gonna kind of go through the coats, hopefully get rid of some. My goal is to clear up enough space so that I can store the leather jackets in the coat closet. Here is the closet where I have all of my coats and outerwear. It actually goes back pretty deep. Giving to my sister because this one is pretty similar. This one she actually wore when she got engaged. She borrowed it and I feel like it's like sentimental to her. I do actually really like it. It's just like a nice dressy cream coat. I feel like she would probably appreciate it. This one, which I thought about getting rid of last winter, and then I was like, I'll just see if I wear it, but I haven't worn it. It's really cute. It's super soft, but I just haven't worn it. I might get rid of this. This one I haven't worn. I don't remember the last time I've worn it. It is really cute. I just never wear it. So I think I might get rid of it. This coat is really cute. I feel like this one I like the fit of a lot more. I just haven't worn it in a while. I think I might get rid of this. Corduroy puffer, super cute, but I don't think I've worn it in a couple of years. We're gonna get rid of this. I've never worn this, so I think I'm gonna get rid of this one too. I cleared up a decent amount of space. I feel like that's a lot better having the faux leather jackets in here since they are outerwear. I actually went back to my closet and I found some more things to get rid of. As you can see, it's starting to get dark. I feel like this has kind of taken me forever, but I actually found so much stuff to get rid of. This is not even including the stuff that I found yesterday to get rid of. That stuff's all on my couch. I feel like I actually did a pretty good job. There's these little button-up shirts from Brandy Mobile. They're so cute, but I haven't worn them in years. Okay, they need to go. This cardigan, it's like cute, but there's other ones I like better. This is the button-up shirt I was talking about. Like it literally has a tag on it. This mock neck, I have one from Skims that fits better. This v-neck is cute, but I just never wear v-neck. Really just pulled out anything that I haven't worn in a while. I am probably gonna try a lot of this on just to like double check. I think that is everything for the closet clean out. I just looked over my list of everything that I wanted to declutter and I pretty much went through everything. I feel like I actually got rid of quite a few things. Like the pile of stuff to get rid of is pretty big. I feel like I did a pretty good job kind of decluttering. I feel like I actually did clear quite a bit of space and organize and declutter my closet. I am gonna be listing a lot of this stuff on my Poshmark, so if you guys want to shop any of these pieces, I will have a lot of them listed on my Poshmark. My Poshmark is Emily Grace 266. I'll have it linked below at the very top of my description. If you guys want to like shop my closet or any of these pieces, it might take me a few days to get all of these up. If there's anything you're not seeing, it might be a couple days, so just check back. There's 4 or more items in a bundle. It'll automatically apply a discount. Of course, if you want to just do like 2 items or even just 1 item, you can always make like a lower offer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some motivation if you're needing to clean out your closet as well. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy. Comment below your best cleaning tip or something in your closet that you're needing to declutter. For me, my sweatshirts are definitely the worst and my jeans. Thank you so much for watching. And with this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.